Hello my dears. So in this session we are going to discuss very important session in the relay. Very important session in the relay. You will get a sure mark, a sure question. Every paper, if you are the paper having power system, this will be an important topic. You can never skip this topic. It's very easy. Only the problem will be asked in the latest electrical inspectorate examination. Also a problem asked, that was a super problem actually. So that type of problem also you can expect. That because there is direct substitution, no, it won't work there. You have to think and you have to apply the logic, then only the answer will be get. So that type of question was there in the examination, but if you know the concept, you can easily crack that also. You can easily crack that also, my dear. Listen. So what is mean by plug setting multiplier of a relay? Plug setting multiplier having a definition like this, my dear. Plug setting multiplier is equal to fault current in the relay or current in secondary of CT divided by pickup current. And this pickup current is nothing but, my dear, rated secondary current of CT into current setting. I will explain each term and I will do a problem so that this idea will be more clear to you. So plug setting multiplier means simply, plug setting multiplier is nothing but, my dear, it is the ratio of fault current in the relay. Relay means nothing but secondary of the CT, that is the it means relay coil, that is the relay coil. So fault current in the relay divided by pickup current. Again the pickup current is nothing but, my dear, rated secondary current of the CT into current setting. I will write a question so that how can we solve such for a problem you will get. Okay, I will write a question, my dear. I will write a question. Okay. A 400 by 5 ampere CT having current setting of 125%. If the line carries a fault current of 4000 ampere, then what is the plug setting multiplier? That's all. This is a question. So let us discuss the question and we will get some idea regarding the plug setting multiplier. That's very useful. Okay. A 400 bar 5 ampere CT means, that means what, my dear? The input of the CT or the line will be 400 ampere. The secondary of the CT or the relay will absorb. The relay side is 5 ampere. This is nothing but the rating of the CT. Having a current setting of 125 by percentage. Okay. If the line carries a fault of 4000 ampere, that means at what region this 400 is connected? That is the line, that is the load line. That line carries, I will explain like this is nothing but, my dear, 400 bar 5. Okay. 400 side is this one and 5 side is that area. Okay. and this is nothing but the load, and it carries 4000 ampere. This region carries 4000 ampere, and if the faulty current is 4000 ampere, then what is the plug setting multiplier? So we have the definition of plug setting multiplier is nothing but, my dear, what? What is that? Fault current in relay divided by pickup current. So what is the fault current in relay, my dear? What is the fault current in relay? Normally fault current is nothing but 4000 ampere. Is that 4000 ampere is going to pass through this relay coil? The relay coil is a fine wire, my dear. The secondary of the relay is, or the secondary of the CT is fine number of turns having huge number. I mean fine turns having huge number, sorry. Fine turns having huge number. If 4000 ampere is passing through this, the relay coil will suddenly burn. So that won't happen. That is why we are using a step down CT, na? Step down CT. So, no, step down, always CTs are like this, na? Step down the what? Current, that is CT. Increases the voltage, okay. So 400 ampere is inside this primary, it will convert it to 5 ampere in the secondary. So what will be the fault current in the relay? If the fault current in the line is 4000, is that 4000 carries the secondary of the CT? No, the secondary will carry only this much, 50 ampere. Correct, my dear? Is it correct? The 4000 is in load side, or it is in line. These 4000 converted to 5 by 14 times in the secondary, 400 times in the secondary. So 4000 into 5 by 400 will be the fault current in the what, my dear? Relay. Now you got the fault current in relay, na? Can I run this? Can I run this? Okay. Next one, pickup current. What will be the pickup current, my dear? Pickup current. My dear, pickup current means at what current the relay is supposed to be triggered. That is called the pickup current. Or at what current the relay is supposed to be energized and it pull the plunger. That is called the pickup current. So this pickup current will be nothing but not the secondary current. The relay will not energize at 5 ampere. The relay will be energized at 5 into 1.25 because the current setting is nothing but 125%. The relay is supposed to be pull the plunger not at 5 ampere current. But we set that in a manner that we adjust the friction spring tension in such a manner that this will be operate. The relay will pull the plunger only when the secondary current 125% happens. So the secondary current is 5. Its 125% is nothing but what is this? 125 5 into 5. What is the value? .25. So it will activate only 6.25 ampere. That is called the pickup current. So the plug setting multiplier will be nothing but, my dear, what? 50 divided by 6.25. So what is the answer? 8. So that is the answer, 8. Okay. So when doing previous year, but the reverse will also happen, my dear. They will give you the plug setting multiplier and they will supposed to find the line fault current. That question was asked in the inspectorate exam. Normally we will do these things, but they asked the reverse. They did all the parameter here. They asked the fault current. That was the beauty. That was the beauty of the question. So normal, no, mug-up type of people, mug-up type students won't answer that type of question. They only know the plug setting multiplier equation, pick up, and that's all. But They asked for what is the fault current. Fault current will be in regarding to the line, and bigger current, that is asked in the question. So only those who are thinking, okay, the fault current is in load side, that one get the answer. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear. So we will meet you in the next session. So until then, bye.